Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, I'm recording the video for the third time and yeah, there were disturbances in between. Sorry for that. Why am I even asking sorry? Yeah, just okay, fine. Let's start the video guys. So in this video, I am basically going to teach you how you guys can start a YouTube series of your own on your channel. So if you're not a creator but still want to watch, just do it. And give this video a like, thumbs up, a comment and a subscribe would also be appreciated. So for now, let's head on to Chrome and yeah, before that, let's roll the intro. So alright guys, here we are back on the channel and the web page was loading, and here first you'll need to head over to YouTube and then go to your Creator Studio dashboard or your channel settings, whatever you call it. Just click on your logo, go to your channel, or not your channel, go to YouTube Studio. So this is what is called the channel dashboard, or you call it Creator Studio. So here we are going to talk about how you guys can make a YouTube series. So you already had the playlist feature. YouTube just added a few changes to it and created a all new feature out of it. So this feature is available since a year or maybe month, not sure about that, but then just noticed it on some channel while I was surfing on the internet and then thought of making a video showing you how you guys can actually do that. So you need to first have videos on your channel. Some people also comment that how to make a playlist with just one video or with no videos. So that's not possible, right? So you'll need to have videos, you'll need to have video ideas, what you're going to provide your audience with, and also before starting series, make a checklist of having your ideas ready, having equipment for videos, and also having a flow wherein you can batch your videos, record them, edit them and upload them, and you don't run out of ideas or videos after you start the series. So having that in mind, let's get started. So first things, you'll need to head over to the playlist section, and over here you'll have a bunch of playlists. I just recorded this video twice and had made a video playlist that's called tutorial. I just made it a minute ago. You guys can also check the date, June 4th, and the unboxing one is an old one, just edited it so it's showing the same date, last updated. Video count 2. So I just added two of my videos to it, and just to show you guys how to make the settings. So if you don't know how to make a playlist, click on new playlist, add your title like something, and then click visibility, keep it to private until you have done with all the edits, and then make it public after you have done with everything. So for now, I have made a playlist, I have added a few videos. When you click on edit, you will be taken to the actual playlist, and over here if you can see these three dots, you can click on those and add videos if you just created a playlist. And if you have a playlist and then you need to if you would like to transfer all the videos in the playlist to another playlist of your own, so you guys can go click on add all videos to and select the other playlist which you want to, so add these videos to. So after doing that, your videos will be seen there as well. So now, okay, a lot of fillers there. This collaborate feature was just introduced maybe an year or two ago. We can add videos from different creators onto one playlist on your channel and also on the channel of the other creator, so you guys can collaborate with people. For now, how do you start a series, right? That comes under playlist settings. So first you need to just check out the order of your videos, and if you want to make any changes, you guys can always do that. Click on these three dots, move it up or move it down. You have this, move up, move to top, move to bottom, and then after doing all that, click on this playlist setting, and now consider this one as an official series on the channel. And now you have allow embedding, that will you keep that on because that will allow you to embed your videos or the playlist on some website or places like that. And now the next setting here is add new videos to the top of playlist. So this is totally depending on you, if you want to add new videos on top of it, or you want to manually edit the sorting of your playlist, and you guys can do that. Because it's series, you provide a new video after each. I would prefer add new videos to top of playlist because after yeah, you guys just got it. Now next thing is, this is the most important thing, that will set your playlist as an official series. Set as official series for this playlist. Click on that and then click on done. So that's it, you have your series ready. So the next video you add will be pushed onto the top of the playlist, and people can just see. If I click on play all, so I'll pause this, and if you guys can see, this is for now private. Yeah, now this is an official playlist, and sorry, not just a playlist, it's a series on your channel. So whenever you upload, YouTube will consider them a bit different. It will not consider these videos as separate videos, but then yeah, the watch time and everything will be counted. You don't have to worry about that. Just the thing is, it will be considered as a series, and it will kind of provide a more engaging environment for your audience and subscribers. And yeah, just check out this new feature, and let me know in the comments if that helped your channel grow. And if you are new here on the channel, consider subscribing. We upload a lot of videos related to tech, unboxing, sometimes gameplays, and few troubleshooting videos as well. So that's it in this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Meet you in the next one. Until then, stay subscribed. Goodbye.